Hello everyone, and welcome to my new tutorial on the Smart Assistant channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change the language in the Viber app. So if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever I post a new tutorial. The first thing you need to do is open your Viber app. Once you're in Viber, you'll immediately see 3 dots in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on them, and this will open a menu with options. In the menu, find the Settings option and tap on it. Once you're in the settings, you'll see a lot of options. Find the language option and tap on it. This will take you to the app settings, where you'll see the language option again. There, find and tap language once more. This will open a page with a list of all available languages. Simply scroll and select the language you want. For this example, I'll choose Russian. Once you've selected your language, go back to the Viber app, and you'll see that the language has automatically changed. Now, all menus, buttons, and information will be displayed in the language you selected, making the app much easier to use and navigate. And that's it for this short video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, leave a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my Smart Assistant channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.